Hello everybody, welcome back to a new video. So in this video we're going to talk about the new lesson in chapter 7, which is about using formulas. So in this lesson we have three formulas. The first one it is d is equal to r times t. D it means the distance, r it is the speed, t it's a time. So this is the first rule. The second one, it's about changing the degrees, the temperature, Celsius to the Fahrenheit, Fahrenheit to the Celsius. So let's solve the questions about the first formula, which is D is equal to R times T. Let's solve question 5. Question 5 says use the formula D is equal to R times T to find the, let's say, the speed or the time. If we know this one, it's very easy to find the distance, or we can find the speed or time. So question 5, it is D is 100 kilometer, R we don't know, so T it is 5 hours. Okay, the formula is given, which is D is equal to RT. D it's R times T. So D is what? Look at the question is 100 kilometer. 100 kilometer equal, and instead of D we're gonna write 100 because 100 is given. Okay, R we don't know, so we need to find the R, the speed, so times by T it's 5. Okay, so how can we find the, let's say, the variable in an equation? We need to take the opposite of operations we study in the chapter 6. So in here, to find the R, we need to take the opposite of this operation, which is division. So divided by what? By the numbers that we have with this R. With, so 5 divided by 5. So the same number and different operations, it goes each other, only R is left, is 100 divided by 5. Divide these two numbers, it's going to be 20. So it's so easy to find the speed or time or the distance by knowing this formula. Okay, so the second, let's solve question 6. Question 6, it's D, it is 300 kilometer, R it's 50, and T it is, we don't know, you need to find the T. The formula, it was D R times T. D it's what in here is 300 equal, R is what is 50, and T we don't know, you need to find the T, times T. As I told you, to find the letters and equation or the variable in equation, you need to take the opposite of operation. Divided by what? Not by 300, because it's 300 in different side, in this side, but 50 in this side. So divided by 50 and divided by 50. You have to keep the balance. What you did on this side, do it the same thing for this side. Okay. So T is 300 divided by 50. So it's going to be 6 hours. Divided, it's going to be 6 hours. It's so easy, just you need to memorize the formula D is equal to R times T. Okay, the second one, it's about, the second formula is changing degree Celsius to the degree Fahrenheit. Okay, how can we change the degree Celsius to the Fahrenheit? So F, we need to change the degree Celsius to the Fahrenheit. So F is equal 9 over 5 times C in the brackets plus 32. This is the rule. to change the degree Celsius to the Fahrenheit. For example, if the question says convert, let's say 10 degree 10 degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit. So how can we change the 10 degrees Celsius to the Fahrenheit? We know this one, we have the degree Celsius, we need to change to F. We need to find the F, so that's why the rule it was F is equal 9/5 times, what's our C in here is 10 degree. So write 10 instead of C, the brackets, plus 32. Open the brackets in here. So the to multiply the fraction by the number, you have to put 1, then 10 times 9, 90/5. 1 times 5 is 5 plus 32. So now we have divide and addition. We know division is first, so divided. So divided 90 and 5. How many 5 in 9? 1. 1 times 5, 5. So bring it down. It's going to be 8 times 4, 40, 0, 0. So it's going to be 18 plus 32. It's going to be 50 degree Fahrenheit. Okay? So the question said convert 10 degrees Celsius to the degree Fahrenheit. We know the Celsius is given. We need to change to the Fahrenheit. So that's why Fahrenheit is equal 9/5 times C. C is 10 degree plus 32. Okay. So the third rule is changing Fahrenheit to the Celsius, degree Celsius. So the formula it is C is equal 5/9 times, in the brackets we have F minus 32. If you look at these two formula, it's look like the same, but the only difference is the fraction 9/5, and this one it is 5/9, and we move with the brackets one step to the right hand side, and instead of addition we change to subtraction. If you know the first rule, is easy to memorize the second one. Okay, if the question say convert, let's say convert 85 degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. So we know this one F to C, so that's why C is equal, the formula write 5/9 times F is what in here is 85 degree, put in here the formula 85 minus 32. Be careful about the brackets, write the brackets in the correct place. So now subtract these two numbers, it's going to be 53 85 32 3 5 53 times 5/9. How can we multiply it? Put 1 in the denominators, multiply it 9, multiply these two numbers, you will get a number in here. You can multiply, then do the long division, you will get the answer. This one is about using formulas.